I appreciate the work that Frank personally has been doing with me. He have access to speaking with him 24/7 because takes an interest in taking care of you, and he's kind of stuck with me through some times that weren't so good for me, and I appreciate that a lot.
I think this facility has a lot to offer, and I've told a number of people about it because it has everything in it. It has everything that can help to get to the heart of the problem and knows how to work it out.
I came to Frank Pugney for my physical therapy. He has his own practice, and it's a one-on-one session, which is wonderful. You get the personal attention you deserve, and it was phenomenal for me. And not only did I learn so much, I can't even begin to tell you all the things I learned.
On a one-on-one basis that Frank Pugney uses, the care is 1,000 times better, 1,000 times better.
Well, I've been to a much larger facility, and you know, there was a long wait in the waiting room, and then you went into a one room to do one treatment and another room to do another treatment.
I was at the Mayo Clinic and spent a couple of years in California. I tried to find the best sports medicine doctors I could find, and the room itself was a big room, and there was equipment and stuff in there, but there was maybe 3 therapists working on about 15 people.
The total time in their therapy that they called it was maybe 20 minutes, 25 minutes was about the total amount of time I was there. It's like a factory in and out.
15 minutes on an egg timer to do some massage work, and even the therapist told me he couldn't do anything worthwhile on me in 15 minutes, but that's all that they're allowed to do. And you know, if they were helping me, okay, but they weren't helping me, and they weren't like looking to, it didn't appear to me like it much mattered if they helped me or not. So that's pretty bad when you're in chronic pain.
I was very happy with the results that came out of the therapy that I received from Frank. Because of the treatments he gave me, to avoid any type of medication, you know, taking pills or anything, I preferred this method and try to avoid, you know, the various medications out there for pain, and it did help and it did relieve the pain for me.
I like the one-on-one better than going to a big facility, having different people treat me. Also, I found in that environment there wasn't any real personalized care. It was very matter of fact. I also did not experience the results there that I experienced with the small one-on-one treatment.
One-on-one really works because you're getting that special attention, and from start to finish you have the same person that knows your problem, that works on it, and it just stays with you until you get it right and until you're out of pain.
You go in, you get your treatment, very personalized, and then you go. To me, I looked forward to it, I'll be honest with you. I really did.
After one treatment, you will feel results, positive results.
The neuromuscular work is helping me a lot. It's, I feel it getting into areas that need blood flow.
I found the neuromuscular work to be exceptional and extremely helpful to me personally.
We did a lot of hands-on neuromuscular work. We could find these pressure points that were really sore, and he worked on those, and I could move a lot freer. I mean, I actually left even after the first session walking so much better than I walked in. I mean, my hips were like this, and he straightened it out. So, I mean, I just couldn't believe the difference. I felt so good.
Problem areas that I had that had never been addressed before were addressed in a very comprehensive manner and with really good technique. I definitely would recommend the more comprehensive, small, one-room, one-person, one-on-one treatment because of the good results that I've received.
After one treatment, I was a real great help. It was a real great help. The one treatment was worth a dozen in the other place.
I sleep pretty well at nights now, and that's a miracle because I didn't sleep for more than 2 hours for 20 years.
I am feeling better. It's been 5 months and I haven't had any pain, which is really good.
I'm not an actress, and this isn't a paid announcement. I was so pleased with this. I feel sorry for people who don't know that he is available and that these services are there for you. because it does make a huge difference.